Welcome to our channel. Reporting a lost driver license to the DMV and getting a replacement is an important task. Follow these easy steps to secure a new license. Step 1. Visit your state's DMV website to find specific instructions for reporting a lost license in your area. Step 2. Look for the option to report a lost or stolen license, typically found under driver license services. Step 3. If available, complete an online form to report your lost license and request a replacement. You'll need your license number or personal identification information. Step 4. If online reporting isn't available, call your local DMV office or visit in person to report the loss. Step 5. Prepare to pay a replacement fee, which varies by state. Have your payment method ready for online or in-person payment. Step 6. Verify your identity by providing required documents such as your social security number, birth date, and proof of address. Step 7. Submit your request and pay the fee. You'll receive a temporary license or receipt that serves as temporary identification. Step 8. Wait for your replacement license to arrive by mail, typically within 2 to 3 weeks. Check the tracking information if provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.